Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Wisdom of the Elders Oracle by Shawn Leonard with artwork by Tracey Metallic and Aaron Googoo. This is a 44 card deck and guidebook published by Hay House. Thank you so much to Hay House for sending this deck my way. I am so excited to get into it. It retails for $21.99 in the US and $28.99 in Canada. And as always, in the description box below, I will link where you can legitimately purchase this should you want to. Whilst you're there in the description box, I do have a link tree that will provide you all of my social media and then some. All right, let's get into it. Walk through life with spirit. Indigenous wisdom is sacred and has been shared for many years by the elders, and it is through their teaching that we bridge the physical world to the spiritual world. This wisdom wove its way through the generations so we could understand life in a greater way. These teachings have been passed down from the elders to the adults, to the youth, to the infants, and now to you. Allow these cards, which include the 7 grandfather teachings, the 4 sacred fire teachings, and the 4 sacred medicines, to help you deepen your spiritual journey. All right. This packaging is beautiful. We've got the gold gilding. Oh, there's the inside. We are all related. Okay. Before we get into the cards, I just want to take a peek at the guidebook. All right, table of contents, how to use the wisdom within cards. So we have preparation, choosing the cards, interpretation, and storing the cards. And then we do have some spreads. Looks like we have 4 spreads and some sample questions. And then it is sectioned into the teachings. So the 7 grandfather teachings, the 4 sacred fire teachings, and the 4 sacred medicines. These cards are a tool meant to support you on your journey through life. The purpose of sharing these teachings is to help you grow and develop spiritually within your own personal connection to spirit and to your loved ones on the other side. As you work toward a more enlightened and spiritually connected place, your intuition and psychic abilities will grow and become more pronounced. Take time to get to know each card in the deck. Hold each one in your hands, take in its energy, and take note of the colors and images. Allow the messages from the elders of the spirit world to permeate your being and guide you. Take time to intuit the messages from each card before consulting the description in the book. Awesome. Okay, then we have the spreads here. So 1 card, 3 card, 4 directions, and the sacred journey. And then it goes into each of the cards. Awesome. Okay, I did take the wrap off of this prior to filming, and I think I damaged the side of one of the cards. So if you see it, that was my fault. Look at the back though. So pretty. Okay, it is a matte, as well as we do have, there's a little bit of shine, but I would consider this more of a matte. Same Hay House cardstock on the middle thin side, if that makes sense. So it's not too thin, but it's not super thick. It's kind of like right in that sweet spot. So I'm sure it's going to shuffle great. All right. So we have the number, we have the title, and then it looks like the animal. So number 1, we have Humility with Wolf. I'm going to read out the titles just because sometimes it's a little hard to see the font on screen. We have Truth with the turtle, the little moon phases. This art is very nice. It's different, it's fun. Bravery with bear. Love with eagle. Respect with bison and buffalo. Wisdom with beaver. Honesty with Sabe or Bigfoot. Wigwam with movement. Ancestors with spirit guides. Oh, look at all of that in the background. All my relations with interconnectedness. Love that. Spirit totem animal with direction. Power totem animal with protection. Grandmother moon with cycles. Grandfather sun sacred fire with gratitude. Earth's core sacred fire with beginnings. Interesting. Ceremonial sacred fire with dedication. Heart sacred fire with passion. Water with affirmation. Air with breath and mindfulness. Mother Earth and the drum. Spring with new beginnings. Oh, look at the little seed cycle. Love that. Summer and activation. Fall with stability. I love that. Winter with elder. Tobacco sacred medicine with reciprocation. Sage sacred medicine with cleansing. Cedar sacred medicine with protection. Sweetgrass sacred medicine with strength. Oh, look at the smoke. Love that. Sacred journey transformation. Spirit world omnipresence. Aw, two-spirit balance. Love that. The forest support. This is beautiful. Spirit talker communication. Planting seeds intentions. Sweat lodge rebirth. The Great Spirit Creator. Milky Way Spirit Road. Oh, look at that. I love it. Star People, Universal Knowledge. Pipe Ceremony, Prayer. Talking Circle, Listening. Spirit Plate, Offering. Plant Nation, Herbal Medicine. Smudge, Energy Clearing, or Clearing Energy. And Dreamcatcher, Dreamtime. It's beautiful. Let's see how it shuffles. Yep, not an issue. All right, let's shuffle it this way. Yeah, I'm not having an issue. Let's get a card to read, please. Okay, this one came out first with the Spirit World, Omnipresence. So just a reminder. Okay, this is from the 4 Sacred Medicines section. Omnipresence. The spirit world resides in all of us. It exists throughout the vastness of space and time and is contained within the rocks, the trees, and the air that we breathe. It is everywhere in all the things on Mother Earth. All aspects of life and spirituality are interconnected, and we are continually surrounded by it at all times. We are all one. We honor this connection through our ceremonies, and we deepen our relationship to the spirit world by acknowledging we are part of that wholeness. When we engage with the spiritual guidance available to us and communicate directly to with the spirit world, we are able to tap into divine wisdom and knowledge. There are various planes within the spirit world, and the goal is to walk in alignment with the higher levels so that we are not bogged down by negativity. Deepening our relationship with the divine and becoming more spiritually connected changes the way we move through and experience life. We've all come from spirit, and we will all return to spirit. Our ancestors, loved ones, angels, guides, and the Creator all work with us throughout our life, and they will be there to greet us when we make our journey home. If you have drawn the Spirit World card today, it is a reminder that you are never alone. The Spirit World surrounds you even at this very moment. Remember to walk through life in a good way and invite the spirit world to be part of your journey. It is through a remembrance of our own divinity that we can fully evolve and become more spiritually connected. I really like this. I think there's so much in here to learn and to experience. I think that this is beautiful. I think that if you are trying to get to know this kind of teaching, this is fantastic. The art is beautiful. I don't mind the price point. I'm pleasantly surprised with this. I'd like to know if you guys own this, if this has been a part of your wish list, what your thoughts are, and if you're just experiencing this for the first time in this video, I'd love to know your thoughts. And if you're going to tell me down in the comments, leave I think there's a wolf emoji that you've made it this far. And thank you so much to Hay House for sending this deck my way. Thank you all for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.